So yes, I was losing quite a lot of frames. I guess it should be better now. I've reduced quality, so I shouldn't be losing as many frames. I was supposed to be checking that regularly, I just forgot. Thanks for letting me know. I was also supposed to check how much internet I'm using up, because I do have a daily limit, and if I use all of it, that's gonna not be nice. Where is it though? Okay, it's fine. Probably won't go above limit, so it's okay. Okay, so now we have a ball. It's bouncing off edges. Probably need some paddle. Well, it was definitely on my side as well. Our customize, I was losing quite a lot of frames. Now OBS shows me that everything is fine, and I'm not losing any frames. So if it's still stuttering for you, it's probably your internet connection, because I am not losing any frames at the moment. Whoa. Yes. Thank you anyway for noticing. I mean, it was my fault, partially anyway. So, draw, shoot, again, draw a rectangle. Actually, I guess we can set color once for now. Here. Run it now, it's not there because we didn't actually check for it. We actually added it. Should also require this. Also, probably should be slightly above the screen, above the screen. So I probably should do this. And I guess reducing the height to 16 would also be nice. Yep, that's better. Should add some controls now. This is quite easily checked, so if keyboard is down, it's left, right, then we should add to self X. It's at 1,000 for now. We have to add some upper velocity for this as well, and otherwise we reflex it if we're going left. Now if I run it, and it disappears. 1,000 times dt. Well, just 1,000, because then obviously it doesn't fit. That's a bit too fast. We can also add if it's down escape, then escape, not just esc. Okay, we can move the paddle now, although we can move it outside the screen, which is not good. We can at least close the game with escape now. Now here, we can just do map if self x 0, then self x 0, else if self x is greater than self x plus self width. They're moving right, so actually this is the only case that can ever happen. x equals self graphics. Give width minus self. And here, if self x is less than 0, then self x equals 0. And now we shouldn't be able to go outside screen. Yep, we're not able to. It's gonna block us. Cool. I'll show you slightly faster. Oh, that's too fast. We can add the method to the object to check for collisions. Okay, object. That's if. And then two rectangles collide if okay, so either x of one of them, so other x is less than. I need to draw it. I need some paper. Yes, so seeing how I need to draw obvious things like this, you can say I am not a game developer. Well, you can call me an enthusiast. So this. Okay, if other x plus other width is greater than this x, and this x self x self other self y other y plus other height and self height plus self y is greater than other y and self y plus self x is less than other x plus other width and self y x plus self width is greater than other x and self y is less than other y plus other height and self y plus self height is greater than other y. Basically, we do this. With hello, then we can have all bounds function all bounds. Dropping frames. I am not dropping frames. Okay, should be fine. Oh, I see. I need to know how it collides. I don't know which side it collided with. Oh, I see. Okay. So I check both sides. sorry. Alright, basically have those two. Thing. So now if we get from the top, and it goes up. Wow. Okay, I should probably only make it bounce. So let's bounce this self velocity y equals self velocity minus self velocity y. Just do it this way, see how it behaves. I try to improve it later. Yep, that's cool. Yep, that's good. Whoa, that was bad. It's a bit buggy. So it gets in from the side. How do I replicate this? Shit. It's not gonna get in anymore, does it? It did. Haha. Well, I could say it's not a bug, it's a feature. Really like the way it behaves. Yes, I should definitely stop making Narconoid. Make a game in which you have to do this. So fun. So much fun. Okay, it's been an hour, so I'll get a short break, and then I'll try to figure out how to make the collisions better. so it does work better than any other collision detector I ever included. I did once write a game kinda like Flappy Bird, although it run and you have to jump in the right moment, not like fly up, just jump from the ground. And if you hit any of the obstacles, you lose. Problem was, collision detection didn't work at all. So it would play for like a minute or two, and then at some point finally realize that collision detection doesn't work and you don't actually have to jump. But for a minute or two you will have a lot of fun, because you wouldn't know that you cannot possibly lose at this game. Okay, 5 minutes break. Thank guys for hanging around. That was far here. Yep. Break. Oh, okay, I'm back. Uh, so before I left, I made this much. Oh, collision detection and resolution is obviously broken. Main reason being I don't know how to do it properly. It's some so I need to check the corners. So we're gonna write some methods to check whether a given corner is inside the other object. Top left corner inside other, and this is true. Top left. Let's start with bottom right. So this y plus this height slash is greater than other y, and this y is this. Size of y. So that. And this x plus this width is greater than other x, and this x plus this width, so that's another x plus width. That seems all What if I checked edges? Yeah, that would be better probably. So the bottom edge inside. And that will require then that this is between square y. Oh, losing people. Really? Am I again losing frames? I have not lost a single frame. So can anyone else confirm that I am losing frames? Or I'm not really losing frames, but it's stuttering. Everything seems fine from my side. So I don't know. It's probably not me this time. Also, I'm looking at the preview from Twitch and it seems to be doing fine. So I don't know. I don't know. I would like to pronounce that name. I just got a follow. LÖVE Radio. Thank you for the follow, if you're still here. I lost track of what I was doing. So the bottom edge is inside a mirror object if it's between those two edges, and if it somehow fits, and if it collides. Oh, sorry. No, that's wrong. How the hell do you do collision detection in Arkanoid? I mean, I could leave it as it is right now and just let it do this weird thing every once in a while. because it's not the point to make a perfect Arcanoid. You can figure it out later off stream. But then again, I have to do exactly the same thing in 5 minutes for the blocks. So this is not really helpful. Plus, I should probably fix the bottom edge. It should go on the side. Okay, let's add the edge, the blocks first. So we create a new class, block, break, block, class. Checked. And this should have an X and a Y. That's predetermined, so we're gonna have self X equal. Oh, it can actually use the scale object constructor x, y, 50 by 30, why not? Block update. We don't actually need that. We do. Do we? No. Destroy. And self exists equals true. Destroy will set self exists false, and function draws the block. We'll just draw the rectangle in self x, self width, self height, but only if self exists. Require object block and it's not exist. I have to look at how figure out how the tables work, because I'm not sure. Insert. Yeah, okay. And so we're going to have in load, gonna have a loop for n equals 1 to how big is the screen? Just to 10 to for j equals 5 to blocks insert bullets. Internet usage. Okay. Insert block that is located at 60 times I over 2 times j. Let's see how this will look like. And for I equals 1 to the size of the table. Seems like it. Bullets. Bullets. Yeah, I'm reading a code of another game and it has bullets, and keep reading bullets. So blocks. I draw basically. Yep, seems fine. Although probably should space them out a bit more. Make them bigger. Start 0. Do 50 plus. Ooh, hard coding numbers. That's always good. So, how I should do it is start at 50, go towards end of the screen, minus 50, minus 100. Graphics and go every 60. For I, that doesn't help. I should probably go. Get with divided by 16. 410. That's better. That's well better. And here we start from the top. Let's do this. 4, 5. And we can do 40. That's better. Now an update for equals 1 blocks. Number of blocks. If ball provides with block still exists. And the ball collides with it. Then destroy the blocks. That should function or expect it. Yes, dot. Woohoo! That's gonna be quick. Yeah, why not? God mode. God mode's gonna be good. So I should probably start worrying about game states now, before I have to figure out the collision detection. I'm gonna have to do another magic trick and copy a library from the internet. That game states. And we should have states. Game code. Gameplay. Everything function. Gameplay. We should probably have main open here. Enter. Self. This. So gameplay is a library that gives you a possibility to create game states, which are basically like normal games, except you can switch between them easily. And that way we can have a separate menu, a separate win and lose states where it just displays a win or lose message. You can restart the game. Yeah, so we're gonna have first the gameplay state that basically does all the stuff that I've implemented so far in main. So when we enter gameplay, we have to generate everything. I should probably also add this thing and set the colors. Update will do everything that we did in update so far. Except now we have to change it so it talks to self, all self paddle and self blocks, because it's now part of the object. Miss anything? I think I got every single one. And we now need the draw function. I think. Yes, we need the draw function. We should also move that one somewhere else, but that's in a second. Function draw, gameplay draw, and that does all this. Obviously, we have to add cells again. And now to actually handle the states, we need to require it. And on load, state register events, state switch to the state gameplay. Now if I open it, something's wrong. It doesn't work properly. States, yes. Everything's included. We enter all this stuff. Oh, yes. First of all, we need cell here. Blocks. Does it happen? Function update. Line 28. So, yep. Okay. Almost there. Collides with self pattern. Yep. And that's gonna be it. Works. Awesome. Awesome. And we can have self blocks left equals 0. We're just gonna no, we have 10 in each row. We have 5 rows, so it's 50. And we're gonna decrease it every single time we hit a block. That's not a block. And now if self blocks left is less than 0, this can be less than 0. If it's equal to 0, then we'll switch to a new state. Which we'll call 1K. And we're gonna also have objects ball return false if it goes down the bottom instead of just bouncing. It's going to return false. And return droplets. Although I don't think that's needed. So if not, update state switch to closed game. Let's check missing arguments game versus switch. Okay. Because they don't actually exist. Let's create them. On it. So we draw this. Game draw. This is gonna write out some text. Love print is not a good thing to Google. Okay. I'm gonna print this. You've lost. Awesome. Oh. Because it probably returns nil every other case, which will also give us, yeah, collision detection doesn't work now. keypad. Works in a weird way. Okay, seems fine. And we actually should have some message saying, for example, press enter to restart. We could actually handle this case. So press enter. Update. If key down, is down. If someone actually presses enter, then it switch to gameplay. No, I'm supposed to lose now. Yep. Lost. If I press enter, nothing happens. It doesn't seem to be here on the list. It's the keypad enter, return. That explains a lot. And then I also have to press escape. Quit. So if I lose now, press enter, I can play again. If I press escape, I quit. Cool. Okay. In one game, I'm gonna have almost the exact same thing. Except we're gonna have one. We could just have game over instead of two separate ones, but yeah, whatever. Okay, I lose if I do this, and if I somehow get rid of all the blocks. Notice how, oh, It's more than 50 then. Should be definitely more than 50. It's 3, 3, 3, 11 in one row. So that's 55 of them. Okay, so we have a God mode deterministic Arkanoid clone where collisions don't work, and where you place your paddle doesn't matter. I mean, if you lose, then it kind of does, but otherwise the ball is gonna go exactly the same path every single time. So, things to do next time. First of all, fix collision detection. Second of all, add some randomness to this. Because now it's gonna take forever for this to ever reach the block. Yes, I've won! Great. Okay, whoever's still around, thanks for coming over. Yes, that was a test stream, so sorry for the problems at the beginning. Next time I'm gonna know. And I hope you come by later, next time I stream. Probably tomorrow, probably an hour earlier than today, so 9 PM GMT. And yeah, if you still have any comments, you can put them under the Reddit thread. I'll post the link in chat. And that would be it for today. Thanks again, and see you some other time. I hope.